Hello, my name is Anton, and I am a licensed Neurographica teacher. Welcome. There's a reason why you're here. I challenge you to explore this reason, because the universe is not random. Universe sent you here to watch this video because you needed to connect with this message. So see if you can dip a little bit further. My focus in my classes that I teach is becoming present. Connecting with our life force energy, connecting with the flow state, and feeling the aliveness of this body, aliveness of life. Neurographica is an absolutely beautiful, beautiful method for meditating. It's been called a meditation with a pencil. And for some people like me, where I have trouble with silent meditation, my mind just starts blowing up. This right here is absolutely beautiful, perfect way to become present. I have 2 free events every week. It's open house. You come in and you ask questions, and I answer questions, and we draw together. I also offer classes. I have a series of classes. You can find them all at neurographic.art website. Try Neurographica. Explore it. Play with it. And see the aliveness that it will bring back to you, into your life. It has certainly done that for me. This is my focus. Presence, connecting with our life force, connecting with the flow state, seeing the spark come into the eyes of my students as we start connecting to this amazing, amazing force that animates us. Well, on Fridays, I have a foundational class, 10 a.m. Mountain Time, which is a great place to start with Neurographica if you're new. Again, welcome. And let's connect. Let's connect with life. Take care.